Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss a new chapter that is called From Tasting to Digesting. So, when I say about taste, which food item you like the most? Yeah, some of you may like ice cream, some of you may like, chips, uncle chips, then fried nuts, some of you may like noodles, biryani. So these all food items, they have got different taste. And similarly, what happens to the food once it gets into the body? Things we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, from tasting to digesting. Which taste you may like the most? So different students, you may have got different answers, is it? So some of you may like the sweetness of ice cream. Even in ice creams, so there are a lot of varieties of flavors. Different tastes are there. You can see, for example, milkshake, then vanilla shake, or similarly chocolate shake. And the same way, there are different varieties of taste that you are more familiar with. And if you tasted toffee, Alpenlibe, it's so sweet. So similarly, you can see, suppose if you take imli or tamarind. So what is the taste of that imli? It is sour in taste. Similarly, you can see another example, if you take lemon juice. If you drink lemon juice, what is the taste of lemon juice? It is sour in taste. So these are the different tastes which are already, we are aware of that. And similarly, you can see another example, you take idli, dosa. So the taste, it may be different. Sometimes it may taste so, sometimes it may be salty. So if you take the case of example, uncle chips. So when you taste uncle chips, it's somewhat salty in taste. So the taste, how you are able to feel the taste, is because of an organ. It's a sense organ that is present in the mouth, that is called tongue. So we are able to taste, we are able to sense the taste of different food items with the help of our tongues. So when you open your mouth and see the tongue with the help of a mirror, so you can see there are small tiny buds, and these buds are called taste buds. Actually, there are millions of nerves that are having endings onto these taste buds, and when we chew the food and when we keep these food items in our mouth, actually these signals will be sent to the brain, and we will be able to, the brain will be able to recognize and tell us or let us know what the things that we are eating. Suppose, let me ask a simple question. How many of you like the sabji, karela? Many of your face might have turned down or turned black now or red now. Why it is? Because, karela. What is the taste of karela? Is it salt or is it sweet? Is it sour? It's bitter in taste, is it? So, the bitter gourd or karela, so which is actually very bitter. So many of you like, or some of you may not like this particular sabji if it is made or fried. Sometimes you may be liking it in the form of sabji, or otherwise if you fry it, then you may like it in a different way. And similarly, suppose if you make fish fry, the moment when I say fish fry, many of your mouth may start watering. So you can imagine that. So how will you taste that particular fish fry? It's so spicy, sometimes it may be so hot, sometimes it may be salty, and if you add proper ingredients in proper amounts, the food is going to taste very nicely. Okay, suppose, imagine if your mom cooks karela sabji or bitter gourd sabji or the fish fry, which one will you prefer? Suppose you imagine at your home there are 2 or 3 kids, and the elder one may require fish fry, and the middle one may require any other sabji, and the lower one, the youngest one, he or she may like another sabji. So, what is the difference? So, these difference in taste, that is depending on one, that may change from one person to another person. So, we are actually fond of eating many things. So, some may like sweets, some may like ice creams, and some may like cakes, pista, or pasta, or whatever may be. Or some students, some of you may like pizza and all. So there are a lot of varieties. Okay. Now let us look at the lesson. So how these particular things, different things, how it tastes. So that is what explained in this particular lesson. So at the beginning of the lesson, so we are going to familiarize with the different tastes. So now I am going to read the textbook. Listen to it. Jumba ran into the kitchen and caught hold of her mother, saying, "Ma, I am not going to eat this bitter karela. So give me go and roti." Ma smiled and said, "You ate roti and sugar in the morning." So Julian teased Sumba. Julian is the sister of Jumba. "So don't you get bored of only one kind of taste?" Jumba replied quickly. "So do you get bored with licking or tamarind? So I bet your mouth is watering just by hearing the word imli." "Sure, I love the sour imli, but I eat sweet and salty things too. I even eat karela," said Julian and looked at her mother. So they both laughed happily. So here in the beginning of the lesson, the story goes around between 2 sisters. So one is reluctant to eat karela or bitter gourd. One is willing to eat bitter gourd. So you can imagine, suppose if you are 2 sisters at your home, one elder one may like karela or the younger one may not like karela. She may want only fish fry or beef fry or chicken fry. So you can imagine how the taste gets changed. The sense of taste may get changed from person to person. So continue. So Julian said to Jumba, "Let's play a game. You close your eyes and open your mouth. I will put something to eat in your mouth. So you have to tell what it is." So Julian took a few drops of lemon juice in a spoon and put them in Jumba's mouth. Immediately she replied, "So, lemon." So how came she understand this particular taste? So even though the moment that lemon juice touched her tongue, she came to know that the taste, which is sour in taste, it was sour in taste. At the same time, she got the idea. So you can also try. You can also play games. You can close your eyes. You can tell your friend or your sister or your brother or your mom or dad and tell them to keep some food items in your mouth, and by assessing the taste of that particular food items, you need to recognize the food items. Okay, so you try it at your home and you will enjoy this particular game. So in this way you will come to see different varieties of taste, and especially the tongue, that is the organ, sense organ, which helps us to taste different food items. Especially we are able to sense different tastes only because of the help of the sense organ called tongue. Okay, study well, read the lesson well, and if you got